Hi friends, now I am making this video to tell you about a fake company called wisdomcapitalgroup.com, which is a indoor based company. Okay, this is a fake company, and this company will be acting as a genuine company, but it is a big fake company and fraud company. Okay, what is a fraud and everything I will tell you. You be aware of this company, Wisdom Capital Group. Okay, see the website name, Wisdom Capital Group. Okay, this is the website. This is the Wisdom Capital Group. Okay, this is the PMS service company, portfolio management service company, which is indoor based company. They will say like that. Okay, but their number is there now. Already I told you in the previous video, but I am saying now more deeply. See here the number now, contact number, contact us is the number. No one will lift this number here, which is showing here. Okay, see here, no one will lift this phone because this is a big fraud company. Okay, in this company you will deposit the amounts, accept the payment mode. See, in last week I have done a cybercrime police station complaint, so they have removed the phone number and details, everything. They kept it only like this plain, so they will make you fraud and they will cheat you. Okay, now what I am going to say you is, after logging into this account, my account has been inactivated because I have demanded for withdraw, that they could not do because they are fraud company. They want only investments, not withdrawals. So they have blocked my account, and the same I have done the complaint also in cybercrime. Already I told you many people, and I will produce a cybercrime complaint paper also to you now. This is the cybercrime complaint. Okay, you're seeing now this one. I have done the complaint. This is my transaction IDs number which I have done. This is the cybercrime I have done. Cybercrime complaint I have done. Okay, this is the case running now. They are now running on them because you all people be aware of this company, this fraud company. And now what I'm going to tell you is, see here, I will show you. This is my mobile. You may see the numbers here, contact numbers. Wisdom victim. This means he is the victim. He is also one of the victim. Okay. Wisdom victim Arikesh. He is also one of the victim. Okay. And this is Wisdom Capital Rajnath. He is the one of the fake person who will be sending message and diversifying you people to take the membership in this company. Okay, he is also one of the Wisdom Capital victim, and these are frauds. Wisdom Capital Aditya, Wisdom Capital Rajnath, these people are fake persons. Okay, so you people see Wisdom Mohan Singh Manipur, he is also Wisdom Capital victim. Okay, so I am telling you what they will do is, I will show you now. See, they will send the message like this. How they will send message, you will see now. Adarsh is the guy. You will be using for so many phone numbers. How many numbers means, you will show you is the phone numbers now. See, he is also the one guy who got suffered with this company, with this fake company, Arikesh. Okay, you will be using how many numbers, that I will show you now. See, this is Adarsh. See, Adarsh phone numbers. You see, you please note down your mobile phone number, so that you will be alert if you get any message like this from these company fellows. Okay, and this is also one number. Okay, write down and keep this number so that you will be alert See. Now these people will say now. See, this person also, Rikesh also wanted to withdraw the money, but their account has been now inactive because he cannot withdraw the amount because he is having the amount in his account is 1,45,000. Now he is unable to withdraw the amount. This because of this, because this is a fake company. That's all, nothing. See what happened. Amount, see. Profit was nearly 1,70,000. Immediately when he want to withdraw amount, they showed the account as 0. See here, see, single day it's happening to 0. You cannot withdraw even a single rupee from these persons. These are fake. See, customer pay 10 rupees, net loss 20,500. See, when you are demand for the withdraw, they will make the amount 0. Okay, till you don't ask, it will be in profit only. See, 1,44,900. Customer pay 31,000. The net profit is 1,44,900. When you want to withdraw, immediately it will become 0. Till you don't ask for withdraw, it will be safe. Immediately when you ask for withdraw, the amount will become 0. So be guys, this is a fake company. This is a big fraud company. Don't fall into this trap. I will show you now. This one. This is also the person who will send the message like this. See how he will trap people, innocent people. See, even I was been trapped into this. See, this is the message they will first send. Hello sir, this side Adarsh. Actually your number added in company WhatsApp group. That's why messaging you. Just tell me that was a mistake. Bloody mistake I have done. See what's happening here. Customer pay 80 lakhs, profit 1,30,000. Customer pay 3 lakhs, 2,44,000 profit. Customer pay 5 lakhs, 1,70,000 profit. They will show and they will tempt you to become member in this company. Okay, but don't get tempted with this fake person's fake company. Okay, this is big fraud and big fake company. This is why I am giving you proofs, complete proofs I am giving today. Before video I didn't give any proofs or anything, but now I am giving the complete proofs. What they will make, what will happen. They will make the account 0. When you want to withdraw, then immediately it will become 0. It will tempt you like this. By sending these messages, immediately you will also get trapped and immediately pay the amount. Knowingly or unknowingly pay 10,000, 1 lakh. Some customers have paid 1 crore also. Okay, so many victims have been calling me continuously when I kept the video in YouTube, and I will request even so many people. See, today profit only 10k investment and above investment. See, you invested 10k, profit is 10k. This way you will tempt you people. Okay, see, in PMS service daily 10% income, 20% income. Like this they will tempt you. Then they will say the profit sharing is 80 and 20, which you have to pay from the profit. But what they will say, pay the profit. These guys are big fraud people. Okay, I am saying you clearly one thing: don't fall into this trap. Okay, if you fall into this trap, you are lost. 100% you are lost. Okay, one thing I will say you, definitely you must go and you immediately complain into the cyber crimes. And if you are anybody near to Bhopal, go and attack them simply. Don't talk anything else. Okay. I have sent all this my documents and I opened the account. This big fake company. Really, I'm feeling very bad. Like this very scam happened to me. Okay, and one thing I want to tell is, so many people are there in the market. They are there to just make the people fool. See, one thing I will tell you: never believe in PMS service or never believe in